Hi everyone! Welcome back to Utopia. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy Japanese floral arrangement with two Kenzans. Our materials are Dancing Lady Orchid and Chrysanthemum. Let's begin! Today we're using a big shallow container, a sun Kenzan, and a moon Kenzan. You can use them together or individually. First, put the sun Kenzan in the back left side and the moon in the front right side like this. Then we're going to choose an orchid for the first main stem. Trim and insert it just like this. And slant it towards your front left side. After that's done, we'll pick another orchid to be the second main stem. Again, we're going to trim and insert it just like this. And slant it a bit towards your front left side. Finally, we'll take a chrysanthemum and make it the third main stem. Remove any excess leaves and flowers and insert it in the front of the moon Kenzan just like this. And slant it towards your front right side. If that's been done properly, they should look like this. And now you have completed the setting of the three main stems. It's time to add the other flowers to fill the Kenzan. First step, pick your favorite chrysanthemum to be the point of emphasis. Remember to show its best side towards the audience. After that, we're going to add the other chrysanthemums. Remember the flowers at the back should always be shorter than those in the front. By now, you may have realized that the setting is the same as the slanting style arrangement. The only difference is that the third main stem is placed on a separate Kenzan. For more information on a slanting style arrangement, you may refer to my other videos in the link down below. And now we're going to add some chrysanthemums in the sun Kenzan too. This is going to create coherence for the arrangement. Then we're going to add the other orchid to fill both Kenzans. When you add the flowers, try to imagine that the water flows from the back towards the front Kenzan, and pay attention to the space in between. There needs to be sufficient space so the audience can identify the two individual Kenzans. And now you have completed a floral arrangement with 2 Kenzans in slanting style. If you're interested in more videos of my work, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!